Hello students, I am Shiv Prasad. Welcome in maths class. Students, today we are going to study math chapter 3 data handling exercise 3.4. First question has given, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Okay, now identify. You are older today than yesterday. It is certain to happen. Okay, because we are always older than yesterday. Okay, now second part is given, a tossed coin will land heads up. Can happen but not certain. Okay, third is given, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. It is impossible because there is not 8 dots on any face. Fourth part is given, the next traffic light seen will be green. Can happen but not certain because it will be not certain that the next traffic light is green or yellow or red. Okay, so the answer is can happen but not certain. Fifth part is given, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. The answer is can happen but not certain. Okay, now second question has given, there are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. First part has given, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2. Second part has given, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5. First of all, number of favorable outcomes for first part. There is 1 marbles with number 2, so the number of favorable outcomes is 1, and total marbles has given 6, so the total number of outcomes is equal to 6. Okay, now solution of part 1, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1 and total number of outcomes is equal to 6 because there is 6 marbles. Okay, so total number of outcomes is equal to 6. Therefore, probability of drawing a marble with number 2 is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes is equal to 1 is given number of favorable outcomes and 6 is total number of outcomes. So the probability is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Second part has given, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5. You can see here, number of marble with number 5 is equal to 1, so the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1 and total number of outcomes is equal to 6 because there are 6 marbles in a box. Okay, now solution of part second, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1 and total number of outcomes is equal to 6 because there are 6 marble in the box. Okay, therefore probability of drawing a marble with number 5 is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is given 1 and total number of outcomes 6, so the answer is 1 by 6. Okay, now third question has given, a coin is flipped to decide which team start the game. What is the probability that your team will start? Okay, now solution of question number third, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1. Okay, because the coin will land head or tail, so the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1, head or tail, and total number of outcomes is equal to 2, because in a coin there are two faces, head and tail. Okay, so the total number of outcomes is equal to 2. Therefore probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes is equal to 1 upon 2. So the answer is 1 upon 2. Okay, thanks.